The 2025 Toyota LandCruiser 79 Series GXL is as tough as ever, sticking to its legendary roots while introducing a few modern upgrades. The design still screams 70 Series with a boxier front end, round LED headlights, and a grille vent that nods to the classic 40 Series. It's unmistakably tough, but the biggest change? It's under the hood. The tray is tough but lacks internal tie-down points, making load security trickier. And that number plate, it hangs too low and is just waiting to be ripped off-road. Inside, it's basic but functional. Power windows, cloth seats, and a small infotainment screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are welcome updates. The new gauge cluster adds a retro touch while improving visibility. The legendary V8 is out, replaced by a 2.8-litre turbo diesel 4-cylinder with a 6-speed automatic. It makes 150 kilowatts and 500 newton meters, actually more torque than the standard V8, while offering better fuel economy at 9.6 litres per 100 kilometers. Off-road, the 79 Series is still king. Front and rear diff locks, part-time four-wheel drive, and downhill assist make light work of rough terrain. Underneath, it's still built like a tank. A heavy-duty ladder frame, live axles, and load-carrying leaf springs make it an unbeatable workhorse. Payload is 1,325 kilograms, and towing capacity remains 3.5 tons. Safety has been upgraded slightly with lane departure warning, pre-collision assist, and stability control. Still minimal, but better than before. It's not modern or cheap, but it's built for one thing: getting the job done. Would you take the new 4-cylinder auto over the V8? Let us know.